Welcome back to the Cat's Chef Kitchen. Happy to see you tuned in today to join me making you my specialties. Today it's gonna be Middle Eastern salads and the most famous ones. I'm gonna make two salads today, and we're gonna start with tabouli. Everybody knows the tabouli now. If you go out to any Middle Eastern store or any store now, they serve tabouli. Tabouli consists of mostly parsley, the burgol. So today, as you see, I have wheat burgol. Baba Rikat, come closer please and show them. I have wheat burgol. I only had my ingredients is 1/3 cup of washed burgol. You could have any fine burgol to make it. Doesn't have to be wheat, but you know, I like the wheat. Could use any burgol, but has to be the finest one. So all I did is just wash it with water and rinse it and let it on my bowl I'm gonna use. For every 1/3 cup of burgol, I have 3 bunches of parsley. Parsley, you know, it has a special way of washing it. Most of you, or maybe you don't know about it, parsley specifically has some tiny end that you can't see it by the eye. So all you need to do is, after you take the stems out, you soak it with vinegar water, let it soak, and then wash it, rinse it, and you start chopping the parsley. Of course, you could use your food processor to do it, but I like to do it by my hand because I want to taste the parsley when I make my salad. So I chopped 3 bunches of parsley after I wash it with vinegar oil, and I have 1/3 cup of wheat burgol. If you want to use another, I mean the white fine burgol, it's fine too. And I'm gonna add the own ingredients. I'm gonna add some cucumber, scallion, green onion. I'm gonna have some tomatoes, and then I'll do the dressing. Welcome back. Okay, I'm gonna add the parsley to my burgol. So it's chopped already clean. What I'm gonna do is do like this, and I'm gonna start chopping my scallion. It's up to you how fine you want the scallion chopped, maybe thinly, finely, or just harsh. So it's up to you how you're gonna use. And I'm gonna add it to my here. I have I'm gonna use half cucumber, not even half. I'm gonna peel it. Okay, see, it's an easy. The only hard thing about the tabouli is chopping the parsley, but if using a food processor, it would be just, you know, a very fast one. It's very healthy, it's very famous, and it's much better tasting at home if you make it. Like, you know, if you have a gathering, you have you're having a potluck, it's a very nice, good salad to take with you. Okay, and now we're gonna start dicing the tomatoes, and we'll make the dressing. Usually I wash the tomatoes, but I like to take the skin out. So I'm taking the skin out, and I slice it from the middle, and I take all these juicy stuff out, and I start dicing the tomatoes. I'll show you a couple, and I'll finish up, and I'll come back to do the dressing with you, and I'll show you how we serve the tabouli. And hopefully you'll have time to try it out, and I bet you're gonna try it out. And whenever, you know, if you have baked chicken, baked chops, anything, tabouli is very good salad combination. Beside, you know, the green salad, I like the tabouli. Okay guys, I'll finish the tomatoes. I have 4 tomatoes, and I'll come back to do the dressing with you. Okay guys, we're done. See, parsley, burgol, cucumber, scallion, and tomatoes. You could chop it as fine as you want. Maybe mine is kinda coarse. It's not as thinly it's supposed to be, but it's gonna be eatable too. So now I'm gonna do the dressing. I need 1 cup of, that's the secret of good tabouli, of olive oil. Could you, Baba Erikat, could you show the olive oil? And 1 cup of fresh lemon or lemon juice. Okay, and I need 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it all together thoroughly. Then I just pour it over my tabouli, and now I'm gonna mix it. So the tiny size of burgol, it's gonna show, even it's a small amount, it will spread and show a bigger later on. So all I need to do is just mix it all together, and it's good for the tabbouleh to stand after you make it, and mix it to stand an hour before you serve it. So I'm just trying to take the burgol out, and you know, the white burgol, it's more softer and edible, easy to eat than wheat, but because I am trying to eat everything healthy, I'm avoiding the white and I'm using the wheat burgol. It turned out to be a good one too. So you go to any Middle Eastern store or any Indian store, and you look for the burgol and have the finest one, number 0. It's nothing, it's just tiny. You just mix it and eat it. So what I'm gonna do, I see like I have some stems here, I could take it out, and what I'm gonna do is pour it in here, and I'll show you how we serve it and eat it. And now for the tabbouleh, how we eat the tabbouleh and how we serve it. We have the lettuce, we're gonna grab it and instead scoop it with the lettuce. So this is how we eat it. I'm just gonna show you how we present the tabbouleh and how we eat it, and I'll try it for you, even though it needs some time to be done, but I'll try it. Just gonna have some. Of course, you wash your romaine lettuce very well before you serve it. Trying to be creative. And this is my tabbouleh. Some oil. I'll try it for you. I'll come back. Okay guys, welcome back. This is my tabbouleh, and I'm gonna show you how we serve it. So usually you put it on your plate and you eat it with the fork, or you could just do it, you just scoop it on the romaine lettuce and try it. It is so juicy and so good, but because I use the wheats need time to be soaked, so I'll just leave it for 1 hour for the wheat to be fully cooked. I mean, it's not cooked ripe, and you could eat it easily, but it tastes so good. Okay guys, this is the tabbouleh. I hope you like the recipe. I hope you could, you know, try it out and enjoy it, and you know, share it with your relatives, your friends, whoever you like. I'll finish it with the tabbouleh. I'm gonna start with the second salad for the day. It's another famous salad, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, now for the second part of my video, making eggplant salad with called baba ghanoush. Baba ghanoush is very famous in our kitchen, actually Palestinian and Middle Eastern kitchen. It's very famous and we eat it a lot. So what I did is I had 2 eggplants. I wash it very well and dry it with a paper towel. Then I brush it with olive oil, and I bake it for 1 hour 20 minutes. And after it's baked, I just took it out, let it cool down completely, very cold. And now I'm gonna scoop the eggplant. It's easy. If there is any bits and pieces inside, I'm just gonna throw it away. Some of the eggplants doesn't have that much, and some of them have a lot, so try to avoid it. So see that you take the inside very easily after you bake and let it stand. And I'm just gonna take this seeds out. Here's the first one, it's done, and I'm gonna open the second one. Here we go. It's easy way to use up all your eggplant, and it's my mother instruction. I was visiting with her 2 weeks ago, and she made this salad for me, and I watched her doing it. I used to boil the eggplant to make my baba ghanoush, but my mom told me this is much easier way, and nicer way to make it, and you'll have the flavor stay inside. So I'm just trying to take the seeds out before I take it, and I'm gonna take it here. This is a very cool salad. It's also, you could use it like a potluck, use it when, you know, you have any baked stuff. We eat it with olive oil and pita bread. So I'm done with the eggplant. I'm just gonna dice it, make it smaller. You need to, I see some seeds, I'll take it out, managed to escape. So I'm trying to cut all these eggplants small pieces. It's very tender. After hour and 20 minutes of baking, it became so tender, and all you need to do is just leave it outside until it's fully cooled down before you even come near it and touch it. And now I'm gonna leave it aside, and I need, for the two eggplants, I need 2 cloves of garlic. You either chop it very thinly or you shred it with the shredder, trying to chop it very thinly. Okay, here's the second one. Okay, almost there, almost done. Easy way, easy salads. All you need is preparation ahead of time and you'll be done. So I'm just gonna scoop the garlic and go ahead and prepare my dressing. I need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of tahini, sesame tahini sauce. You mix it together because sometimes it's all gone in down, and bear with me. I don't need that much, maybe. Okay, like some salt. Mix it all together. Of course, add the lemon juice. I have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I might not use all of it, but I'll try to make the mixture. You might use also cayenne pepper if you want to have it like kind of spicy. Just a touch, just sprinkle a touch of cayenne pepper and add it to the mixture. So I'm trying to blend in the tahini salad and the yogurt together, as you see. And I'm just gonna, you need more lemon juice and you need more salt. And keep blending, keep blending. To have Baba, if you could come a little bit. I know we tired you today, but this is easy way of doing things. So just keep blending until you have a smooth. I still have some hard stuff, so I'm just gonna, all I'm gonna do is add the mixture to my eggplant. Try to mix everything out. Okay, I'll keep mixing this until it's fully all blended, and I'll show you the way to serve it and how you could enjoy eating it with the pita bread. I'll come back. Okay guys, Saleh, please point to the eggplant. Saleh, the salad, not me. My eggplant with baba ganoush is ready. I sprinkle with some olive oil and some sumac. This is a sumac I use to give it a soury taste, and I diced some pita bread. I'm just gonna have it all layered here, and you could dig in. We'll have Baba Ericat try it because he wanted to try it while I was making the bread. It's either you scoop in your plate and eat it, or you know, you could have this is around and eat it. And all you need is a plate. So it's gonna do, open up, gonna have some here. Baba, you want some? Okay, you let them know what you think. It's good or not. Yeah, this is for me. This is my baba ganoush, and I'll bring my tabouli, and this is what's gonna be my salad for the day. Okay guys, this is my invention for today. You see, it was a very fast video. The salad, all you need is preparation ahead of time, and you just make the mixture. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll take the time and try it out. This is what, if you eat it outside and you compare the taste between having this baba ganoush or tabouli outside and the one you make. I really hope that you would take the time and try it, and comment and let me know what do you think, and if you like it or not, and what do you want me to do for the next video. I'm planning to do a vegetarian dish, but if you want something else, please comment and let me know. Until I see you next time, bye bye.